EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for March 19th, 2020. For your Thursday, we're going to have showers very early this morning and then remaining cloudy or mostly cloudy the remainder of the day. I don't think we're going to be dealing with showers again until we get into the overnight period. And even that is just a few showers, not a real washout overnight. And then we go into Friday morning with the cold front, which could feature some thunderstorms as we get through the day in the afternoon and evening on Friday. Could even be some strong storms with that. I'll get through the NAM here in a second, but it does look like there's going to be one heck of a warm surge coming in here on Friday, which will get temperatures into the 70s for many of our locations as ahead of this cold front, which at this point is back here, and the area low pressure driving it is well up into southeastern Canada. Warm front associated with it is way up to the north. So with that warm surge, high pressure off to the south and east is going to get these southwesterly winds coming in here pretty strong on Friday and get us well into the 70s. So it'll be a warm day here on Friday, and then that cold front comes through during the overnight period, and we have temperatures crashing behind the front for Saturday. So Saturday you're just left with clouds giving way to sun. Now, let me take you through the progression here on the 3-kilometer NAM. I'm going to start this off at 6 a.m. So we have some showers most prominently in our eastern areas here at this point that are going to be moving off the coast. Just a few showers are going to be taking place during the morning. Here's 8 a.m., here's 9, 10, 11. So this is done well before noon, it looks like, as far as showers are concerned. And then you see nothing. So we're just going to be cloudy or mostly cloudy during the day. And then the warm front is going to push through in the overnight hours. So this is looking at midnight. So we have some showers, mainly for our central and northern areas. You will see this. Further south, I don't really expect too much. But this will move through, and just a little bit of shower activity coming through with the warm front as it pushes through the region. This is 2 a.m., 3, 4, 5 a.m. So this is done by Friday morning, and then we are just, we'll call it mostly cloudy on Friday with this. So there'll be some sun, some peaks of sun here during the day here on Friday. The more sun you get, the better chance you get into getting well into the 70s instead of just lower to middle 70s. But later in the day, there is the opportunity that some thunderstorms will take place. And you can see that here as a line is going to try to make its way down to the south and east. Another line with the front itself in northwestern Pennsylvania, but that won't get here in time, I think, before dark. So that's probably going to run out of steam. It's this initial line. It's a prefrontal trough line that's going to be moving ahead of it. And there could be some strong storms with this. And some of the soundings are indicating that there could be some strong storms. Some very favorable conditions for strong storms here. And this is 21Z, so this would be 21Z is 5 p.m. This time of year. So this is showing late afternoon and then heading into early evening as it crosses into New Jersey. And then you see that second line behind it falls apart because you're running out of daylight here. This time of year, you need the sun to fuel those kind of storms. To sustain them ahead of a cold front. And because we're going from 70s one day to near 50 the next, that's one heck of a drop. So we're going to have some gusty winds involved with that, and we're also going to have, we have the opportunity for strong storms. So you're going to, because of that unstable atmosphere that's going to be in place ahead of the front. Once it passes, though, things will become much more stable very quickly. And then once we get into the overnight, the front moves through. And as we get into Saturday morning, everything else is off further to the south. So this weekend will be dry, but it's going to be much cooler, becoming mostly sunny here on Saturday as this system pulls away. And then on Sunday, we are bright and sunny also. But temperatures are going to be near 50 or either side of 50 degrees here on Saturday. And then into the 40s for highs both Sunday and Monday. Okay. Now, because of that, because Monday we're only expecting highs to be in the lower 40s. If the precipitation is expected to come back into the picture, if it comes in early enough, there could be a rain-snow mix or maybe some snow showers in our northern areas. Okay, and that's central and northern areas are kind of teetering on that line. So in our east central Pennsylvania forecast region, which covers the area from Harrisburg to the Lehigh Valley, we have rain-snow mix and then changing to rain showers. Okay, so that's the preliminary forecast for Monday. That's probably going to change around a little bit. But this is not something that's going to stick. So especially just 2 days removed from temperatures in the middle 70s, it's likely not going to happen. But then once we get into the overnight, you can see the northern areas hang on to some snow here on this particular model, which is the European run. And as this low pressure moves off to the south and east here, but further south and east from there, we're looking at just rain continuing overnight Monday night into Tuesday morning. And that system pulls away, and then skies start to clear in the afternoon, and then increase again on Wednesday morning, and we have more rain with another quick-moving system moving in on Wednesday. So increasing clouds with showers moving back into the picture. This is another system that will be a quick mover in and out. So we're getting a lot of systems that are dealing with in the upcoming week, and they're like every other day or every 2 or 3 days that we're dealing with something coming into the region, but everything is quick in and out and under 12 hours for the most part. So something like we had last night with that rain moving in that's going to move out this morning. This is not a something that's going to just dump rain for an entire day or longer than a day. No large-scale systems that we're dealing with for the most part, but we do have to watch for the frequency of events that are going to be taking place in the upcoming week, and that's usually typical with this time of year when you start getting more of a zonal flow, and temperatures here, once we get into next week, are going to start to rebound a little bit. We're going to get up into the 50s on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then likely back into the 60s as this system passes toward the end of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for March 19th, 2020. Have a great Thursday.